What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. So Shiba Inu Bulls take SHIB to the top of Robinhood and Grayscale gainer list. Let's check out this article from Crypto Basics, see what they say. I'll give y'all my opinion on it. But make sure you smash the like button and also are subscribed to the channel so you get news you can use like this as soon as it comes out. So Grayscale and Robinhood acknowledge SHIB's impressive performance in the past week, as SHIB ranks as the best performing asset in the respective top gainers list. So think about that, y'all. Grayscale, one of the biggest hedge funds or investment companies, and Robinhood, one of the biggest exchange platforms, both are seeing Shiba Inu outshine every single thing else they have in their portfolio. That is a really good sign for Shiba Inu, far as them being more confident in SHIB, and also getting other people excited, other institutional money, big players in the space excited about what SHIB's possibility is, especially going into this next bull run. So it's always good to see headlines like this. It's a positive, I won't just call it a catalyst, but it's positive news that can, influence other people's decisions. So leading dog theme crypto, Shiba Inu witnessed a remarkable performance over the past week as its price hit a 3-month high of 4 zeros 2156. Interestingly, Shiba Inu surged from a weekly low of 4 zeros 1417 registered on September 21st to a 7-day high of 4 zeros 2156 today. This growth rate represents a surge of 52.15% in 1 week. Think about that, y'all. No other asset is doing that. Shiba Inu has been having, 10+% gains, 20+% gains, days back to back in a row. Top gainer on, CoinMarketCap, multiple days in a row. I told y'all we went yesterday like probably the top 200 cryptocurrencies, and there wasn't another crypto that was shining as hard as Shiba Inu. So you got to understand, when we see things like that happen outside of the rest of the market's movement, like I told y'all, we got to pay attention to the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, and that was in the overbought territory strongly. So we predicted that there might be some people locking in some profits if that movement didn't, if that momentum didn't continue right as everything was going. So that's what we're seeing happen right now. But still, even with the slight pullback we're seeing, this is still perfect for Shiba Inu holders, those that want to. I wouldn't say it's a good enough dip right now to buy the discount as far as like a discounted rate. But those of you that haven't had a chance to get some Shiba Inu, it's always better to buy in the red than it is the green. So notably, two prominent crypto entities, Grayscale and Robinhood, put Shiba Inu's tremendous surge in the spotlight during the respective overviews of the top performing cryptos over the past week. Shiba Inu beats Cardano, Doge, and Solana on Grayscale's top gainers list. Grayscale data shows that Shiba Inu performed the best among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap over the past 7 days. According to the data compiled on September 26, Shiba Inu ended the week with a gain of 32.1%. This gain brought Shiba Inu's year-to-date return to 80.6% and a market cap of 12.4 billion. So you see, we passed. Who was that we were right under? We were right under them, and then we passed. I can't remember which one is slipping my mind. Not Polygon. AVAX. So it was AVAX. So we slipped. We jumped above AVAX. AVAX was around 1 billion, and she was sitting around 12.4 billion yesterday. But we could see it dipped down slightly. But let's jump back over to this article briefly. But nonetheless, y'all, when these big players in the space see an asset that can go up 50% in a week, that is not something to be ignored, y'all. They will pay attention to that. So I'm excited for Shiba Inu's, short-term future as well as the long-term future. I think October is going to be a really good month for SHIB. We will be calling technical analysis along the way, updating y'all with all the major news that is surrounding SHIB. So make sure you are locked in with the channel. Let's see. Remarkably, Shiba Inu outperformed the remaining 9 biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap, excluding stablecoins, having recorded the largest weekly gain. Notably, Cardano, Doge, Solana, Ethereum, and Binance followed Shiba Inu behind, having surged 14%, 12%, 9%, 6%, and 5% in the past week, respectively. Bitcoin, Timecoin, Tron, and XRP followed suit with weekly gains of 3%, 1%, 1%, and 0.4% respectively. Shiba Inu shines Robinhood's leaderboard. Additionally, leading online brokerage platform Robinhood highlighted Shiba Inu's incredible performance in its weekly overview of the top 10 best performing crypto available on this platform. And that's a really good sign because, retail, especially a lot of beginner retail traders or investors, Robinhood is going to be, kind of like that gateway to crypto, the point of entry, the initial point of contact for, them buying their first crypto. A lot of them don't understand the DeFi side of things yet, how to buy on DeFi swaps, Pancake Swap, Uniswap. They don't understand that yet. So they're going to use something like crypto.com, Robinhood. A lot of people like to start off with. And when Robinhood is shining, saying, hey, Shiba Inu up 52%, that's a good sign for those that don't truly understand the market and are going to buy the tops of it. Now, I know it sounds harsh, but we need people at all different stages to enter and buy Shiba Inu all the way up. So potential factors behind Shiba Inu's surge. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu's recent performance stunned many crypto enthusiasts. The dog-themed token had a slow performance this month. Notably, SHIB's price traded within the 4013 and 4014 price territory for the most part of the month before its remarkable surge. This is why even if the price is stagnant, even if the price is dipping, you continue to be confident and you buy those dips on the way down, because once things turn around, especially if it's a project you have strong conviction in, don't let what other people say deter you. Don't let the slowness or the exhaustion in the market slow you down. Stay focused, stay firm on what you believe, and continue to DCA, and it will pay off. It's not financial advice, but that's what all the crypto winners that I see, that's what they were able to do, and unless it was one of the ones that just got lucky. But several factors contributed positively to the recent uptrend, including a massive increase in the TVL on Shibarium. So that's the total value locked on Shibarium, meaning the amount of value. It went from around 3.64 million in 1 week. So it spiked to 3.6 million in 1 week. And today, I believe I seen an article saying it was up to around 7 million. So almost double from where it was at yesterday. So following the launch of K9's Bone Crusher decentralized application, which introduced a liquid staking solution to the network. Also, the community is anticipating the introduction of a new utility within the SHIB ecosystem in the early phase of the year's fourth quarter. Popular crypto YouTuber Rajiv Anand revealed the development after speaking with Shiba Inu lead developer Satoshi Kasuma at the recently concluded Token 2049 conference in Singapore. According to him, Kusama said the next 2 weeks would be more interesting for SHIB. So, pay attention to these next, 14 days on Shiba Inu. And actually, this was also a few days ago. So it's probably something more like 10 days left. Something interesting might be taking place. We might be seeing the launch of the SHI token. We might be seeing the launch of the Treat token, or something, that they've been working on the sideline that, no one is expecting. So according to him, Kusama said the next 2 weeks will be more interesting for SHIB, suggesting that the team plans to introduce something big into the ecosystem. This type of update can trigger investors' interest in the asset, as many would likely purchase it in anticipation of the upcoming news, potentially leading to a huge price spike. In the meantime, Shiba Inu has lost some of its weekly gains as it currently trades at 402084. Despite this, Shiba Inu is still up 9.94% in the daily charts and 46% in the past week. So let's take a look real quick at the charts. At Shiba Inu's price, we got the overall market right now sitting at 2.31 trillion, down 0.26% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin 65.6K, Ethereum 2.6K, BNB $600, Solana $156, XRP 62 cents, Doge 12 cents, up 4% on the day, 19% for the week for Doge. Toncoin $5.86, Cardano 40 cents, Tron 15 cents, AVAX at $29.37, one spot above Shiba Inu at $11.9 billion market cap, up 6% for the week. Shiba Inu at 13th place by market cap, sitting at 1983, down 1.2% on the day, and up still 33.8% for the week, and up 91.75% year to date. So this is the beauty of, Shiba Inu, y'all. We see, okay, there we go. I was gonna make sure y'all can see it. So we see SHIB, no matter what it goes through, no matter what the market goes through, Shiba Inu is very resilient. We see Shiba Inu continue to show, time and time again, when people are doubting it, when people want to lose faith, Shiba Inu pops up and shows, you don't want to lose hope just yet. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see I'm rocking the, y'all, if you know, you know. If you know about this OG shirt, You know, let me hold on. Who knew about this shirt right here, man? If you was here during these times, you one of the double OGs. You know, we got the triple OGs, but if you was here around this time, you no, actually if you was around this time, you're a triple OG. You're a triple OG. Shout out to all the triple OGs, double OGs, and the OGs to the channel, man. The new people rocking with us, the old people rocking with us that, you know, been here for a while on the channel, and, you know, the newer subscribers as well, man. Salute to all y'all. But Shiba Inu, you know, it has something crazy in store, y'all. And imagine once we get this new catalyst from the team, whatever's supposed to be happening in the next 2 weeks, how excited people are going to be. That's going to bring excitement and traction back towards the ecosystem where, you know, people are going to be excited about whatever the new development is, and then we'll see sympathy transfer over to the rest of the ecosystem. So it might be Bone that starts to pop off, or it might be Sheev that starts to pop off, but then we'll see Bone, Leash, etc., and the rest of the ecosystem start to move also. So I'm excited about this right now, y'all. We did talk about the pullback that we may be seeing. I will be doing some videos later on talking more about the technical analysis side of things, so make sure y'all tune in to that video. That's all we got for this one right now. Market cap's in at 11.6 billion. Volume is down 36%. We talked about it tapering off because RSI is very high. It's in that overbought territory, meaning people are likely to start locking in some gains or, you know, closing out positions. Also, you got to remember that the futures, you know, market is a big component of price action as well. When open interest is in a long position or they're looking at a certain price target and the market is moving stagnant or it starts to pull back, that can force people to close out positions, which will remove, you know, liquidity from the market, which will in turn pull down the price. So, you know, just understand how the market moves and be prepared for, you know, whatever. Remember, plan your trade and trade your plan. That's all we got for this one. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Also, almost forgot to tell you, got a special bundle offer right now for, you know, my subscribers, people that are rocking with me that want to learn more about the markets. I got 3 courses available. This is the first time I'm ever doing this, bundling all 3 courses together for a super mega price right now. But you got to email me at stockgoatsclass@gmail.com. That's stockgoatsclass@gmail.com. STOCKGOATCLASSAG@gmail.com. So tap in with me. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. And if you're interested in which courses those are, it's a day trading, stock options course, crypto one-on-one course, and a technical analysis course. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.